Hello ladies and gentlemen, Fanie Naude here and welcome to episode 6, Drive Traffic, Creating Interested Prospects. This is going to be where the rubber meets the road. This is not going to be such a long video like some of the other ones was because we cannot give away all of our secrets, but we're going to give away some of our secrets that made us a lot of money over the last couple of years. So stay tuned for the rest of this video. So let us jump right in and saying, okay, at this point, you should be having everything in place. Everything should be in place. Your niche, your marketing message, your lead magnet, your websites, everything, even your nurturing process, even if you only have a 4-step nurturing process, it should be in place at this stage because now we want to start driving traffic. And the traffic we're going to drive here is going to be the most effective way that we are going to get you a bunch of new clients because all the foundations are laid correctly right now. Now you just need to decide how are you going to drive traffic. Now this is a big problem for a lot of businesses out there. They don't have a standardized system that they can just implement to drive more traffic to their website or drive more traffic to their funnels and all of those sort of things to just constantly sign up new clients. So now we want to talk a little bit more about the two main methods of driving traffic. The first one is organic marketing. Now you've heard me talk about this for a long time, and we even spoke a little bit about this in the first 2 videos, I think, about, you can just send your marketing message to someone. It doesn't cost you a single dime, and it's going to eventually get you some clients. It's going to take a lot of time. That's what organic marketing is all about. It's about not spending money on advertising, but the trade-off is time. It's going to take you a lot of time and a lot of effort to get in those traffic, to get in those clients, but it's free. That's basically what it comes down to. It's free. So anything that doesn't cost advertising money is considered organic marketing. Email marketing, basically direct outreach on Facebook and email and LinkedIn or any other social media platform, that's completely free. And also creating content. So like I do every single Monday with my content, that's another way of, driving traffic, making people interested, giving value up front, building credibility and trust. And it's not even just videos, it could be just posts where you describe a little bit something of value, or stories or articles that you're writing, anything, any sort of content that you're creating. Also organic marketing if they have a call to action at the end. So this is all about, okay, what trade-off are you going to make? Do you have the money to spend on advertising? Well, if you do, we're going to move on to paid marketing. Paid marketing, anything that costs you money. So you can run ads on multiple platforms. You have Facebook ads, LinkedIn ads, Google ads. You even get all of the other less known social media companies also run ads. It just depends on where your target market is hanging out, and you want to choose the correct platform for you and run some ads towards them. So a very, very simple concept, organic and paid marketing. Now, just because we don't want to give too much away in this video, but we want to give you something that you can either implement or contact us for more information about is, okay, let's start off with organic marketing. We already created your marketing message and your offer in episode 2. So right now we're going to utilize this. I'm going to give you a template of what we used and it worked really, really well. So this is organic outreach. We specialize in direct outreach and Facebook ads. That's our 2 main specialities, and both of them we have a bunch of different strategies. We're going to show you one of the organic ones right now. So this ties in with LinkedIn specifically because we love LinkedIn. We love LinkedIn because it's a professional network. We know there's a lot of accountants hanging out there, and it's so easy to just connect and grow your audience and reach out to those people because they know it's a professional network. They expect people to either contact them for business or pitch them for business, or just build out the professional network that you can send referrals back and forth and all of those nice things. So everybody on LinkedIn understands why LinkedIn exists. It's not as a social platform like Facebook where some people just want to be social. Like LinkedIn is a little bit more business orientated, but okay. So first step, grow your audience with LinkedIn. Second step, reach out to the audience that accepted your connection requests. if you reach out to them, we use this specific template. So I'm just going to go through this template with you, and you can just insert your marketing message, insert your lead magnet, and it will work exactly the same for you as well. So this is the template. So you put in the person's name always. You need to personalize. You cannot just send hi or, to whom it may concern or anything along those lines. It should have the person's name. So let's say, for example, it's Yuan. You're reaching out to Yuan. You say, hi, Yuan. Thanks for the connection. Hope all is going well on your side. Just quickly wanted to introduce myself and give you a welcome gift. I'm the managing director for Buznet Direct. You know how most accountants struggle with marketing and sales, and they end up overworked, having to take on those bad clients that make their life miserable? Well, we specialize in helping accountants to get a consistent stream of their ideal clients while reducing workload and increasing profits. If this sounds like something you'd be interested in, let me know and we can schedule a quick call. As promised, here is the welcome gift, 5 simple and easy ways to get more accounting clients PDF. Claim it here with that specific link. So just that template alone, if you send that to 1,000 people, you're going to get a lot of clients. That's just how it works, because if your marketing message is worded correctly and it's aimed specifically at their current and desired situations with their problems in there, it's going to be very appealing to your specific niche. And there's going to be people that saying, great, yes, I want to, let's jump on a call, or no, thank you very much for the lead magnet. And if they claim the lead magnet, all of the other systems are already in place, to nurture them, on all of those sort of things, to capture the details that you can manually follow up as well. Give them a call. Hey, how did you experience the lead magnet? Did it provide value to you? Do you need extra help? All of those things are possible with this. This is our organic giveaway. This is our template. Believe me, it works extremely well. It has a set structure for a reason. And if you want to implement this, go ahead and implement this for yourself as well. For paid marketing, it's a different matter, because this is our specialty. We don't, I cannot teach you Facebook ads in one single video. It's just not possible. I can tell you it's not that difficult. You just want to connect your ads with your funnels that we already spoke about. And with the ads, you just want to target your specific audience. Make sure it's a proven audience that's really full of your niche and not just a bunch of people that like your niche. And you want to give them either your marketing message or something of value, or describe their current situation that they know you know what you're talking about. So just as an example, one of the ads that we run was specific towards our lead magnet, the one that says 5 simple and easy ways to get more accounting clients. We basically advertise this lead magnet along with a free strategy session with us. So it worked like a charm. I think we put in like 7,000 and it got back like 18,000. So that's like a 2.4 return on investment ratio. If you can duplicate that every single month, it's going to build up extremely quickly, because we didn't spend that much money, but we got so much more back in return. So we can reinvest that money into more ads, scale up the entire process, and basically just scale up the business from there, because it's a system, Everything that you put out, if you put it back in again, you're just going to constantly keep on scaling. It's going to create this exponential curve. And eventually you're going to sit with a bunch of clients, and your main problem is not going to be getting clients. Your main problem is going to be service delivery. And that's a good problem to have. That's a good problem to have. You don't want to give poor quality service, but you need to sort that out. But with the problems that you have, that's a good one to have. So I really hope that you guys got some perspective on driving traffic with this short video. I know I didn't give away that much, but with the information I gave here, remember, you can always reach out to us if you want more information. But with this alone, with the organic strategy, with that template, you will get clients. It's going to be scheduling calls. Remember, just the amount of time that you're going to spend is going to be massive, because it's free. That's the trade-off for organic marketing. And okay, guys, remember, this is now episode 6 at the moment. So basically what this is all about is our 40K in 4 weeks workshop. I know I've been promoting this every single day. I wanted to give a lot of value that you guys are interested. We are going to take you through our entire process, our entire proven process that we've taken all of our clients through to scale up their practice. We're just going to condense that into 1 month. We're going to try and increase your revenue by 40,000 within 1 month. We are specifically looking for accountants that have a passion for advisory and consulting services, helping businesses grow, helping businesses achieve bigger levels of success. This is really what we are passionate about. We love business. We love building up businesses, scaling up businesses. So if you want to join us in this venture, get some clients, help them grow, all of those sort of nice things, and you're willing to work hard to sign up so many clients that you can increase your revenue by 40,000 with only 1 month, check out the link in the description, sign up for this workshop, and we are so excited. It's launching next week, so thank you everybody. I really hope this created some value. Other than that, enjoy the rest of your day.